Good morning to everyone. Good morning to everyone. So this is Dr. Kausar working as an assistant professor in the Department of Commerce and Management, GFGC, KGF. Today in this session, we have a discussion on marketing intelligence system. Marketing intelligence system is nothing but the array of procedures and the sources where the management can able to gain the knowledge pertaining to the happenings in the marketing environment. Or it is nothing but a systematic collection and processing of information from all the relevant sources regarding to the changing trends which is going to be happen in the marketing environment. So we can say that it is going to provide the required data to the managers belonging to the external environment which is going to be happen seen towards the customers. In this system, once the marketer gathers the data from the available resources, so he can able to process it, then the management can able to have the critical business decisions which helps the management to formulate the strategies for the survival of the organization in the market. Or it is giving a clear picture regarding the company's existence market. So market intelligence has to act as a guiding for the basis of decisions. So where we can able to apply to future goal settings, where the goals has to be set in the organization. So this is going to help for the business to how to overcome the competitors or how to educate about the target audience and also how to evaluate the insights belonging to the various products. So means the data, whatever we are going to gather, so it has to be analyzed with the help of the informed decisions what we have been collected. So the decisions may be regarding to the competitive behaviors, the products, the consumer trends, and also the market opportunities that we have to face. And the next part is that what this marketing intelligence is going to include. This marketing intelligence, we know that it is going to provide the organization regarding the opportunities or regarding the complexities which has to be faced in the existing market by the organization. So it includes competitive intelligence. So what is this competitive intelligence means? This is a type of marketing intelligence where the organization has to focus on towards the competition. So here the entrepreneur has to understand regarding their competitors, and also they have to make use of the informed decisions that has to be taken up, and they can able to assess how to position their products or the services in the market. The competitor intelligence can help the organization to understand about the competitor strength as well as the weaknesses and how to frame the marketing strategies to compete in the existing world. And the next type of intelligence, that is nothing but the product intelligence. So this is also a type of marketing intelligence where the organization has to focus on towards the product as well as the services. So they have to understand their products and services, how to market and how to sell the goods or how to sell the products in the existing market. So this intelligence will helpful to understand the product's strength, the product's weaknesses, as well as the needs and wants of the target market which has to be faced, where the product, what type of product is required in the market can be assessed in the case of product intelligence. And the third one is nothing but the market understanding. So this is also a type of intelligence where we have to focus on the overall market trends. By this market understanding, it is possible to know regarding the position of the products and services, so which is helpful to understand regarding the size and growth of the market, and also what are the trends that makes us to where we have to make ourselves, where we have to shape ourselves, where we have to design ourselves based on the market trends. And the next one is nothing but the consumer understanding. So this is also a type of market intelligence, which is going to focus on the consumers or the customers, where we have to understand our customers, that regarding to how to market or how to sell our products or the services in the existing market. And this consumer intelligence will also helpful for us to understand about the our customers' needs and also their wants and also the buying habits, what they are going to have in their regular purchases. So that these all informations are required to frame the strategies, or to how to overcome or how to strengthen the strategies to lead in the existing market. And this market intelligence also, it comprises of employees, internet, printed up publications, intermediaries, industrial events, resource companies. These are all the various sources where the information can be collected. The first two source is nothing but the employees. So we know that about 70 to 80% of the information are gained with the help of our employees, because these are the employees, those who are going to deal in regular with the suppliers or with the distributors and the customers, where the information can be collected through this media also. And the second source is nothing but the internet. So we know that in the digitalization era, the internet has become the main source to collect the information. So with the help of this internet, we can able to see, or we can able to have the information regarding to the latest trends, or regarding to our customers, competitors, the policies of the government, and what are the new launches has to be made or which are available in the existing market. That is also one of the source. And the third one is nothing but printed publication. Printed publications are in the form of newspapers or in the form of magazines, or some of the publications. So where we can able to collect the data, and also the recent changes in case of the technology. All this information can be available in both the cultural and also the political events. And the next one is nothing but the intermediaries. So the company can also get the information from the different parties. They may be the distributors, they may be the retailers, suppliers, who have the information for the existing market developments. And the next one is the next source is nothing but the industrial events. So industrial events are nothing but the trade fairs, the union meetings, the conferences, right? So here also we are going to have the information to compete in the existing world, because the trade shows are itself an effective source of market intelligence. And the next is nothing but the research companies. So as we know that the research companies are providing the ready-made information, the various aspects of the market, where the companies can buy and use this data for their own purpose, like for the advertising or for any kind of the media. Once the data is collected from all these sources, so it is possible to condense it, to bring it into a proper form, where the company's management can use the which is can able to use for framing the marketing the strategies and also design of the market. So let us we go now move towards regarding to the importance of marketing intelligence system. Why this market MIS, that is nothing but marketing intelligence system, is so important means, so we know that market intelligence is very important because in the current business scenario, it has become one of the most important tool for any company that the wants that to become more successful information is required. So market intelligence is going to provide the required information, because it is going to gather the data, it is going to understand the customer behavior, and the same information will be supplied to the company. So the data can be used to frame the decisions where they can able to focus towards their resources and also the energies. So this market intelligence can also helpful for the business to identify the potential customers and to understand their needs and wants. So why it is important means, because it will be helpful to know the position in the market, because market intelligence, it is helps us to understand where our product is going to stand in the market and where we want to push it in an effective manner. So it gives the detailed information regarding the overall market scenario, which enables us to inform the decisions about where we have to focus towards our resources. And with the help of this, we can make us very easy where our position is being withstand or we have been standard in the market. The second is nothing but analyzing the product. So market intelligence can be used to evaluate a product in terms of its features, in terms of price, quality, because the information, whatever we have been gathered, so it can be used to make the improvements to the product. So that will helpful to meet the competition in the present scenario. And also we can able to understand, we can able to know the information towards our target audience. This market intelligence will helps us, or it is giving the information regarding our target audience, their needs, their wants, because the data, this data is going to create the chances of the campaigns of the market, so which are going to be focused to the demographic type of the environment where we have been created, and who are all the customers to our company or to our product can be identified with the help of market intelligence. And the next one is nothing but it is helpful to conduct the competitor analysis. The market intelligence helps us to understand our competition, and also the it is going to identify the areas where we are having the advantages and also the disadvantages, because with the help of this information, the sales plans can be changed that will helpful to grow or to compete with our competitors. And the next thing is nothing but improving the process efficiency. This market intelligence will also helpful for us to identify the inefficiencies in their process and to make improvements where it is going to boost the efficiencies. The information can also be used to streamline the process, to reduce the waste, and to improve the overall productivity. So this is regarding to the significance of the marketing where we are going to be seen. And the next part is regarding to the advantages and disadvantages of the marketing intelligence system. What are the advantages or how it is helpful means, we are going to call this marketing intelligence system is acts as a bird's eye view of the market. How means, because market intelligence are helping to the organization, because they are going to understand their market both inside and also the outside environment, because it is going to gather the real time data, so which in turn which will be helpful to frame the strategies, and also it is allowing to how to compete in the existing world or how to meet the market demands. And the second advantage is nothing but it is going to act as a customer retention. We know that satisfaction, more than that, customer retention is very important in the existing modern marketing. And this market intelligence are helpful to analyze regarding to our customers, how to build the customers' loyalty, and what are all the areas that we need to improve to accept or to perceive our customers to make them to happy, and also it helps us to retain them and improve the customer's lifetime value. So customer lifetime value means it is nothing but how many times the customer is going to purchase in a specified period of time. That is called as customer lifetime value. So in the form of customer lifetime value, it is possible to retain our customer up to a particular period of time. And the third advantage is nothing but with the help of a market intelligence system, it is possible to improve the sales. So we know that with the information, the right target audience, what we have for our sales can be assessed very easily, or all the target audience for our products, and the problems can be better solved here by the organization, so which helps full to determine the market segmentation also. And the next advantage is nothing but the competitive advantage. We know that with the help of market intelligence, the company or the organization can become strong, because it is providing the information not only about the other resources and also about our competitive products, and also who is our competitors. We know that the trends keeps on changing. Due to the changes in the trends, a complete picture of the market can be assessed very easily, so that we can able to have one step forward towards our competitors. And the next, these are all the advantages of market intelligence, and the next thing is nothing but the disadvantages. In what way it is having its own demerits? How the market intelligence will get failure means, in the terms of cost, we know that acquiring the information from the different resources, it is an expensive. In fact, it can be, the information will be too low, or it may be too slow, or it may be having, if it is not going to have a proper leverage towards the pricing, so it becomes very difficult to get the information because it is cost effective. And the next one is having a limited use, because whatever the information we have been collected today, most of the consumers are affiliate to the organization. We know that a larger part of the market, they are not at all considering the necessaries of the existing customers. So whatever the information they are going to gather with the help of market intelligence, the usage of the information will be limited, so it becomes a disadvantage there. And it is a time consuming implementation. So after collection of the data, in the initial time we have to collect, then it has to supply. The process, it takes very large. So it is advisable to a partner of the companies that to provide a market intelligence softwares to analyze the data, and also experts are required. So till that time, because we know that due to the changes in the trends, the wants keeps on changing. By the time of having the implementation of the information, the market will go off there. So that will also become a disadvantage, and it is also a limited compass, because we know that market intelligence can, though it have the number of sources of the news from the company websites or from the social media or from other sources, still we can able to see that limitations are there, because in the case of a limited search is there means, we can able to have the limited proprietary type of information will be available. That is towards the disadvantages, how it is not been helpful. First one is that is it is too much of cost, and whatever the information we have been gathered, the usage of the things are very limited, and it is a time consuming to implement the things, to gather, to analyze. It becomes a time. So, and also it is having a limited compass. And with this we can able to conclude that, so market intelligence system, it is not on one time investment. So it has to be keep on ongoing process where the business has to stay to meet with the competition. And we know that market intelligence can also be applied to the future goal settings, where the goals can be set to boost the efficiency and also to have a good scope towards our marketing efforts. And this market intelligence are providing an organization a distinctive opportunities where they can able to navigate the problems of the marketing, and also it is going to it is going to give the information about the competitors, about our target audience, and also about the availability of the various products which are available in the market. So with this, I'm going to end the session. Thank you.